What's up, guys? Today we're gonna learn how to frontside 50-50 on a mini ramp. Now before you start learning this trick, you just wanna make sure you can frontside kick turn and drop in. Alright guys, frontside 50-50s, super awkward on mini ramp. For some reason they're just way harder than backside 50-50s. And I think the reason is because with a backside 50-50, you don't need your whole truck on the coping. But with a frontside 50-50, you kind of have to have your whole truck on the coping. So when you go to come in, it kind of leaves more room for you to hang up or overturn or things of that nature. Alright guys, so as I come up for a frontside 50-50, the first thing I'm thinking is the frontside kick turn and just getting these wheels up on top of the coping. And I usually have a decent amount of pressure on my toe. For some reason it just kind of helps with the turning motion and getting me ready to lock in. And so the next thing I'm thinking about is I always kind of have my weight a little bit on the tail, just so the controls here, I can almost manual it into a 50-50, right? I pivot it right into there. Also, if you're leaning too far forward, it's just gonna set you up to want to come in and lean forward and hang up, and you probably don't want to do that. So this is the reason why I have all my weight centered around the tail, just because this is the focal point of how you're gonna pivot on the mini ramp. And so when you go to come back in, you're gonna have to give a little bit of a hop, almost like an ollie, which can be scary at first, but if you're gonna want to do this trick, you kind of have to be able to get over that fear, because you have to give even a tiny bit of a hop and press on the tail to get that wheel over the coping. All right guys, then once you feel comfortable and you feel like your weight is centered on the tail and you're ready to commit to coming back in, you just have to make sure that you lean forward a little bit more than you normally would, because when you give that little bit of a hop to come in, it's gonna give a little bit of extra speed and you could shoot out. So just make sure you're leaning forward. And once you get those down, you can try to learn some variations.